Magnetism, part 3. Now, an idea you would have come across in like year 7 and 8 is what happens when you bring the same poles of a magnet together. So it could be north-north or south-south. They will repel each other. Yeah, super easy. Now, what happens when you bring opposite sides of a magnet together? They will attract each other. Now, at GCSE, you might come across sort of having to recognize this in terms of the magnetic fields. So it looks something like this. So if you see at the top here, I've got a north and a north pole coming together. Now, when a north and a north pole come together, you'll know that they're going to repel. But why? Now, if you remember, the magnetic field lines always go from north to south. So the idea is that these magnetic field lines here never cross each other. They're basically trying to occupy that same space to go back around there. Think of it like it's causing them to sort of push away from each other. Now, on the bottom side, we've got what happens in terms of magnetic field when you bring two opposite sides of a magnet together. Remember, magnetic fields always go from north to south. So what happens here is, for this magnet here, the field lines, to get to a south pole, it's quicker just going to the other magnet, which draws the two magnets together, and therefore they attract. So to sum up, same poles will repel each other, and opposite ones will attract each other, and you might come across it in an exam having to identify which diagram is which.